Today, we're going to learn how to play the classic electronic memory game, Simon.
This is that brilliant game of lights and sounds. It's a fantastic solo challenge that's really going to put your memory to the ultimate test. And by the end of this short explainer, you'll be all set to start playing. So what's the objective here? Well, it's beautifully simple. Watch, remember, repeat.
Your main goal is to perfectly copy the patterns Simon creates. The longer the sequence you can repeat, the higher your score is going to climb.
Okay, first things first, let's get the game set up. It only takes a few simple steps. First up, you'll want to replace any demo batteries with some fresh alkaline ones. Next, just press the power button to turn the game on. Then you can press that same button again to cycle through the different volume levels.
All right, let's get into the gameplay. This is where the real challenge begins. The gameplay follows a really simple loop. First, the green light flashes. Go ahead and press it to begin. Next, watch carefully as Simon plays a sequence. Then, it's your turn to repeat it by pressing the colored lenses in the exact same order. If you get it right, Simon adds one new signal to the end of the sequence. To make that crystal clear, let's just walk through a quick example of the first couple of rounds.
So the game starts. Simon flashes the green lens and plays its tone.
Now it's your turn. You just press the green lens. Simple enough? Sequence complete.
Now, since you got it right, the game builds on that. Simon repeats the first signal, green, and then adds a new one, in this case, red.
And here's the most important part. You have to repeat the entire sequence right from the beginning. So you'll press green first, then you press red.
And the game just keeps going like this, adding one more signal to the chain every single time you succeed.
Eventually, you're going to make a mistake. Hey, it happens to everyone. So let's talk about what happens then and how the game calculates your final score.
The moment you press the wrong color, the game ends with a little fail sound. It then immediately flashes to show you the score you got. Reading your score is actually pretty straightforward. A flash of all four lights together, that's worth 10 points. A single flash of just the green light is worth 1 point. The game just adds these up for your total.
So for instance, if you scored 27 points, you'd see all four lights flash twice. That's your 20 points, followed by 7 quick flashes of just the green light for the other 7.
And if you want to know the score to beat, just press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds to check out the saved high score.
And finally, let's cover a couple of quick troubleshooting tips, just in case you run into any issues.
So what do you do if the game isn't working quite right? Maybe the lights or sounds seem a little off.
Well, your first move should always be to try a fresh set of batteries. If that doesn't solve it, you can use something like a paperclip to press the small reset button on the back. Just a heads up though, both of these actions will erase the saved high score.
And that's really it. You are now officially ready to power on Simon and put your memory to the test.
So, the only question left is this. What's your first high score going to be? Good luck.